Hey guys, Ross here, and welcome back to another video. This is another how-to video. It's how to make a thumbnail. Now, I've already done a video on this, but it came to my attention that what if you're using a Mac, or you couldn't get Microsoft PowerPoint or anything. So what we're using today is a software called Paint.net. It's completely free. All you need to do is type in paint.net into the Google or whatever search engine you use and come down to this third one right here that says get paint.net. I assure you it's 100% legal and no viruses. So when you install it, you want to come to it, go to image, canvas size, and turn main aspect ratio off, width 1280 and height 720. Once you've done that, you want to press Control and then delete, and it will get rid of the background zone. And then you want to come down here and press this add new layer button, and as you can see, it will add a new layer here. And then you want to come back to Google and get a picture for like a background for your thumbnail. You can make it with color and stuff, but personally I think this is easier. So I've got my thumbnail background I use for my how-to videos. Resize it to the canvas size and you should be good. Next, what you want to do is press the new layer button, go to this little text button here, press it, and then type in whatever you'd like. So for this one, it's a how-to video. Resize it and use the font you would like. And there. Move it about with this thing. Don't click away yet because you won't be able to move it. Alright, that looks good. And then another cool thing I have for my text is a shadow. So you need to download this off Google. So all you need to do is type in paint.net drop shadow effect, and it's free. It's like takes you about 1 minute to install, and yeah. So I want this one to be white. Yeah, and you can just play around with it, make it look nice, and do just anything really. Now if I put make, take that down to 1, yeah. Maybe another drop shot. Oh no, I see that I did that wrong. You want to Control Z to undo. Always do a new layer, otherwise it will do whatever effects you do onto the thing on the same layer. So yeah, just be aware of that if you don't want that to happen. If you do click off it by mistake, make sure you're on the right layer. So this word make is on layer 4. Click up on the top right arrow here, and then you can just move it about freely. So yeah guys, that's about it. That's all you need to know. Just play around using the tools or whatever you want. I'm gonna carry on making this thumbnail and I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done, I think. Yeah, I think it looks quite good. As you can see, I've got these little icons without the background. And what I want here is a Windows icon because it works on both Windows and Mac, this method. So you come over to Google Images and type in Windows icon or anything icon or just anything. And make sure you put PNG at the end. If you don't do that, it won't work. Now, when you load the image, it should have like a checkered board pattern, like this image does here. It should have a checkered board pattern here. You want to copy that image, come over to paint.net. This is what I did earlier, so I'll get rid of that and show you again. I want to come up here and press new. It won't get rid of this, it won't get rid of it, so don't worry. Zoom out by pressing Control and use the mouse button. Do Control A and delete like we did at the start. Come down here and add new layer, and then paste in the icon using Control and V. Now you want to do Control and A again. Make sure you're clicked on layer 2. Control and A again, and then Control and C. Come over here, make a new layer, Control and V. Keep canvas size, don't change the canvas size, just keep the same one. And then resize it to what you want. Now, maybe instead of no, I'll keep it down here. Now, to move it about, you just click on this button here, like I told you, and make sure you're on the right layer. To turn it around to this angle, you hold the right mouse button and move it about, and it will work. That one is still a bit big, so I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Yeah, I think that's perfect. On effects, object, drop shadow, okay. And then, but I want this apple in front of this. So what I do is go onto the layer that the apple is on, come down here and press move layer up, and it will move it above the Windows icon. Right guys, that's about me done. It's looking quite nice. But what I don't really like is the background for the color, because I've already got that on a video before. So if you want to change it, you come back to the layer that your background's on, click it, do Control Shift U, and it'll bring up this window. What you want to do is just mess around with the saturation, the lightness, and mainly the hue though. This one changes the colour. I'm thinking maybe maybe that colour, that's quite nice. So yeah, that's you about done. You want to go to File, Save As. Test thumbnail, I've already saved it. But you want to save it as a paint.net PDM file first. So you go Save. Wait for it to save. Come back to File. No, I did that wrong. Come back to File, Save As, and then save it as a PNG file this time. select 32-bit, and flatten. The reason we saved it twice was the first time you saved it, it makes it so you can come back onto Paint.net and edit it whenever you like. And the second save we did makes it makes you able to upload it to YouTube and into your video. So guys, yeah, that's about it. That's it's quick, easy. It's not really that hard. It's a bit complicated to get used to Paint.net at first, but yeah, it looks good, to be honest. I think this is quite nice. Just have a mess around, and thank you for watching. There'll be a how to make an outro video out maybe later, I'm not sure. But yeah, just stay tuned, subscribe, like, and favourite. Check out my Twitter, it's in the description, and thank you for watching. Well, that was a bit awkward.